Very good morning, students. Today we are moving to next part of the lesson. The garment exporting factory in Delhi. It is given one picture. Ladies are sitting and working in the. They are doing the work with hand. The buttonholes, buttons like that work they are doing. We are going to see that one. Okay. The Erode merchant supplies the cotton cloth produced by the weavers to a garment exporting factory near Delhi. From Erode it is going to Delhi and those who are doing the exporting. And the garment exporting factory will use the cloth to make shirt. And what they are making shirt. From the cloth they are making the ready-made shirt and they are going to sell that one. This shirt will be exported to foreign buyers. Among the foreign buyers and the business persons from US and Europe who run a chain of stores, and to whom they are giving to the people, that is the big people, rich people as well as business people, those who are having a chain of stores in US and Europe. The large stores do business strictly on in their own time. Even though it is making in Delhi, and the big companies they are doing the sell or the business in their own name, the brand name, everything they are giving to the thing, and they won't say like that it is from Delhi and like that things they won't reveal. Then they demand the lowest prices from the supplier, and these large stores do business strictly on their own name. And how they are doing that business we are going to see. The demand or the lowest price from the supplier, they are demanding the who is giving the supply, what they are doing, they are asking from the by the lowest price of the things, and they then in addition they set a high standard for quality of production and timely delivery, and they are asking they are giving very low price, but they want to get in a world standard, then only it will go to US and European countries. At the same time they want to get the delivery on time. For example, Halloween week, they are European people, they are celebrating in the month of November. So in the November first week, second week, if they are celebrating like their clothes, they want to get before at least by September, then only they can send to every markets in US as well as in Europe. Then only the people they can purchase it. So they will ask the delivery. For example, Christmas stars what we are producing here in India and what we are sending to Europe. Normally it is reaching there in Europe by September or August or September it will reach there, and Christmas celebration it is comes in December. At the end of the November onwards the sale will start. For that purpose they are asking the delivery by September itself. Then any defects or delay in delivery is dealt with strictly, and what they are doing, if we are making any, for example, buttonholes or buttons, if it is not according to the world standard, and means the people those who are working in that unit, they will get the strict punishment or the severe loss, they may not get their price like that. So the exporter tried his best to meet the conditions set by these powerful buyers. So the who is doing the export, we know here in Karur or Erode side we are having the many export unit. What they are doing, they are making the high quality one, and what the world standard is according to that, to meet the demand of these powerful buyers. Faced with such pressure from the buyers, the garment exporting business in turn tried to cut cost. They get the maximum work out of the workers at the lowest possible wage. And we know nowadays what they are doing, they are giving the piece work. They won't give the salary, monthly salary they won't give. Even some shops or the export company, what they are doing, they won't give daily wage also. Instead of that they are giving the price of the piece work. If for example if you are doing one shirt this much, like that piece work they are asking, and that's why they can they will get it very in lower cost. Then only they can get maximum profit from the buyer or the this foreign buyers who is coming and taking in a bulk amount. Then This way they can maximize their own profit and also supply the garment to the foreign buyers at the cheaper price. And especially after this globalization, we can see the price of the things, it is going very means the wage and other things, it is going down. And the when we are going to purchase something in the market, we want to give a double money. Or for example, if you are making your own onion at home, how they if the shopkeeper coming and collecting that one from our on farm, they may give like that 5 rupees or 10 rupees per kg, and the market it is coming by 30 rupees or 35 rupees or 40 rupees, not less than that. Not the price of the this present days, that is because of election and other things, many things are there, and it is because of the state election. Not only one state, many West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, like that, many states all going to face the legislative assembly election. Then Bihar already completed their election, and some other states, because some of them they become the MP, so the by elections conducted. So because of that one, the political influence as well as this pandemic situation, everything we want to read together, then only we can understand that one. Then the Impex garment factory has 70 workers. Most of them are women, and most of these workers are employed in a temporary basis. They won't get any permanent job nowadays. Even in the garment factory or in school or in hospital, even in government sector, they are taking in the name of contract. This means that whenever the employer feels that the worker is not needed, the worker can be asked to leave. So even in Navodaya school or KV schools, they are government is taking in a temporary base. They are not giving the permanent seat. Because of that one, how much they can reduce means the only 10 months salary they want to give instead of 12 months, and the other festival allowance like that things no need to give to them. So even in the government sector, we are seeing the same thing. They are getting the taking the workers in a temporary way. So the worker can say to the employer can say to the worker, okay, you go now, we are not in need of your work, like that. Then the worker can be asked to leave. Workers' wage are fixed according to their skill, and that also, if for example in a school, primary school up to 5th standard or 4th standard school is there in a village, that is private school, and according to the skill of that particular teacher, she or he may argue for that particular their salary, or they may the school may say like that it is here we are going to give the equal salary. Many teachers may disagree with, because I am having this much of experience, my qualification this one, and it is nearby my home, that's why I am coming, like that. Many reasons they may say. Normally it is coming according to the skill. The highest price among the workers are the tailors, who get about 3,000 per month. And tailors, how much they are getting? 3,000 per month, means 100 rupees per day. And women are employed as a helpers for thread cutting, buttoning, ironing, packing, etc. And these jobs having the lowest wage, they are going to get very less amount according to the work. And here it is given the payment of the workers per month. Tailors, they are getting 3,000, ironing 1.50 paise, 1 rupee 50 paise, that is per piece. Then the checking 2,000 per month, thread cutting and buttoning 1,500. And if it is happening in the Delhi, means the metropolitan city, one of the largest metropolitan city, and very difficult to get the housing and other things, and this 3,000, 1,500, 2,000, it is not at all enough for one person's rent of that particular month. Then how they will live and how they can work, this is the condition what the people they are facing in the metropolitan city. Not only one, all the metropolitan cities having the same problem. Then okay, we can see that when the profit, how much they are making. Here it is given profit 900, advertisement 400, storage 200, and purchase 300. The shirt is purchasing by the shopkeeper or the big seller by 300, and he is giving keeping that one for 200, and advertisement giving by in the TV or newspaper that 400. Total is coming 900, and 900 it may be profit, because he is going to send this particular dress by minimum 2000 rupees in the shop. So he is going to get minimum 900 rupees profit. The thing about the one dress, the person is going to get 900 rupees as a profit, and here the people, they are getting only 1500 per month salary. Unlike that, how many shirts they are stitching in a month? Think how much inequality is there in the market. Okay, we will continue in next video.